So in this video, we're going to talk about Celsius Holdings. They reported their earnings late last week. And as you can see, we had a gap and go despite price closing off the highs. Nevertheless, that was still good for an increase of 28% or $7. Now, in their earnings report, sales grew by 22% in 2024 as they increased their market share. However, it was the news of their acquisition of Alani Nu which really sent the shares much higher. Now, before we look at the technicals, let's actually get into the news. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to give you a price target in the coming weeks. So, in an excellent move to divert attention from somewhat turbulent 2024, Celsius announced that it had acquired Alani Nu, the fourth largest energy drink brand in America, for $1.65 billion. Now, Celsius paid less than 3 times sales and 12 times fully synergized earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Now, the purchase price isn't outrageous considering that Alani Nu energy drink sales have grown by 50% annually over the last 3 years. Combined, these two companies now control 16% share of U.S. energy drink market, projected to grow by 10% annually through 2029. Now, the growth of the two brands is eye-catching when paired together. In 2024 alone, they combined to increase retail sales by more than double that of Red Bull, the leader in the energy drink market. As for Celsius earnings, the company increased retail sales by 22% in 2024, but the stock's revenue only rose 3% during the year due to the timing of its sales to primary distributor PepsiCo. While this increase is far from the triple-digit growth rate it saw just a year ago, the fact that Celsius gained 160 basis points, which is 1.6% of market share in 2024, is an encouraging sign. All right, now let's zoom out to the monthly chart once again. This growth that we saw was based on the fact of the company's growth really moving higher. Since then, prices have collapsed as that growth has decreased, even stalled. And if you've been watching my videos over the past several months, you would have known that this weekly buy level was a level where the buyers were willing to step in. So how could this move have been predicted? Well, if you scroll to the left, you'll see this rally, basic candle, and then a rally out. And what happens? Price trickles down into the weekly buy level, and that was where the buyer stepped in. This was even before earnings. So where's price heading next? Well, let's zoom out. See this apex of the W pattern? Let's put a line in the sand. $40 is your target. You see this drop, basin candles, and then the drop. That is a level of interest in the form of sellers. And if we go down to the daily chart, look at that 200-day moving average coming into the band right now. This becomes your target. More upside is on the way for Celsius. Take some off the table at $40. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.